As high-performance gear grows among professionals, electricians increasingly seek out the most durable, ergonomic, and efficient tool belts. A great tool belt boosts productivity, reduces fatigue, and keeps essential tools within arm's reach. This guide reviews top electrician tool belts based on material quality, comfort, pouch layout, and overall value, ensuring you find the perfect fit for long days on the job. List none. Gatorback B240 Electricians Combo with Pro Comfort Back Support Belt, medium 31 to 35. The Gatorback B240 Electricians Combo is a favorite among professionals for its combination of rugged build and back-saving design. Built from Duratec 1250 fabric, with bar tack stitching and rivets at stress points, it's made to handle heavy workloads. The Pro Comfort Belt includes memory foam padding and air channels, reducing sweat and fatigue during extended use. This set comes with multiple spacious pouches and over 18 pockets. List number 2. Klein Tools 55298H Electricians Combo Belt and Pouches. The Klein Tools 55298H Electricians Combo is a premium-grade tool belt built for daily use. It features durable 1680D ballistic weave material and comes with adjustable pouches that can slide to suit your preferred setup. With deep pockets and a built-in drill bit pocket, this combo is designed to hold a wide variety of electrical tools securely. The double-layered padded belt enhances comfort. List number AWP Tool Pouch, Electrician Tool Pouch, Premium Professional Multi-Pocket Organizer for electricians who prefer a lightweight and modular option. The AWP Electrician Tool Pouch is an excellent choice. This standalone pouch features a premium, water-resistant construction and includes 15 pockets for pliers, screwdrivers, testers, and other hand tools. There's also an integrated tape measure clip and electrical tape chain for added functionality. It's designed to be worn on a tool belt or clipped to your side with its metal belt clip. List 4. Klein Tools 5240 Tool Pouch, Tradesman Pro Maintenance Tool Pouch with 9 pockets, tape thong. The Klein Tools 5240 Tradesman Pro Tool Pouch is compact but cleverly designed for maximum efficiency. Featuring 9 dedicated pockets, it's perfect for carrying essential hand tools without overwhelming your waist. Its rugged polyester body and tapered design allow easy access while moving or working in tight spaces. It includes a tape thong, tool loop, and D-ring, giving it enough flexibility for various job types. This pouch is a favorite among electricians who want a minimalist but functional approach to tool carry. List 5. Klein Tools 5225 Tool Belt, Adjustable Electrician Belt, 2-inch wide. The Klein Tools 5225 Tool Belt is an excellent base belt for building your personalized electrician's rig. It features a 2-inch wide nylon strap and rugged metal buckle, ensuring it stays secure during tough tasks. The belt is fully adjustable up to 48 inches, accommodating a wide range of waist sizes and pouch configurations. It's compatible with most tool pouches, making it a great choice for electricians who want a customizable tool belt solution.